Finally, justice is served in South Africa. Acid Girl has been sentenced to 18 years in prison. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. My name is Sponsor La Femina. Yeah, guys, it's happening. Finally, I mean, the background to the story, if you don't know anything about the story, last year there was a story trending on Facebook and other social media of a girl from Limpopo, I think it's ZB, called Mapeu, who was brutally attacked with an acid by her boyfriend or friend, who's a man, ex-girlfriend. That's the backstory. The girl saying that she's even like, you know, those girls who just behave wrong, vanily wrong behavior. And I want to talk about this. Firstly, let's talk about if 18 years is enough for that, right? From someone who has a little expertise on law, 18 years I think is a fair justice. The fact is that the NPA or the state has proven the fact that there was an intent to kill. Why is that so? Someone will say that, but what if she didn't want to kill her, just want to hurt her? Using an acid, depending on the what we could see from the damage it has done because of the injuries sustained by the victim, that the damage is severe, meaning that that acid could be fatal. That's where they prove the intent to kill. That's where we know this girl wanted to kill Mapeo. That was the intention. And then another thing is that the steps that she took, you go to the shop, you buy acid, you pour it in a bottle, and then you pretend deception. You pretend that you want to fix things, to be civil, to be a human being, but knowing very well that those feelings of human being have left you a long time ago. That's what has happened. And another thing is that I heard some people on social media saying that she deserved a life sentence. Guys, even if there was an attempt to murder, the girl did not die. Mapeu is still alive and she cannot get her original face back, the face that she was born with back. But the fact that she's still alive, it doesn't make this it doesn't make this a murder. Actually, it makes it attempted murder. Or someone could argue, South African law, it's that simple. Not that simple, but simple to understand. Someone could argue that it was an assault with GBH, which is grievous bodily harm. She can appeal. Remember that that's her right. Like, she has the right to appeal the decision of the court if she wants to. But can she win that? Maybe. She might try, and we see where this goes for us law students. To me, this is not just a case. I think what I want to talk about, which is another point, is that relationships, guys, are tough. But what's most tough is you spending in prison for a guy who, in the first place, was never yours. If you find yourself fighting another woman in a relationship, it means, my sister, you're not the girl. You're not the one. They don't want you there. Just leave. Leave before you go to prison. Leave before you die. Leave before someone loses life. Leave before you injure people. Just leave. For your mental health, physical health, criminal record. My sister, just leave. And we stress this every day. Men are not the prize. You are the prize queen. Stop doing what you're doing. It's so sad that you even think it's normal to fight for a man. Why are you doing that? Huh? You see the result now. You have a child. I think the girl has a child, if I remember the story correct. You have a child. Now your child doesn't have a mother. Like, it's practically that. 18 years. When you come back, your child will be 22, 23, 24. The same age as you. You must use your 20s very wise, guys. This pressure of saying this is my man in your 20s doesn't matter. Because you're still learning who you are. Maybe, we romanticize many things. Maybe you are the lucky one, but few actually get their soulmate in their 20s, in their late teens, but not all of us. Some of us, we just hoping someday, but currently, you need to be wise as women. We need to be wise. This is a wisdom that we will preach. Men are not the price, or else you will pay severely with your life. 18 years is a long term. At the age of 24, you go for prison for 18 years. That's you'll be back by 42. By that time, Facebook will no longer be there. Maybe. Or it will be upgraded. The software will be something else. And then, for what? Indoda. Wow. Be serious. You're not even married. Just stop. Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one.